Plan for today's trip is we're driving down to the beach. We're gonna park up on the beach. We're gonna spend the night on the beach. We're gonna sleep in the car and we're gonna have some fun. Let's hit it. So we have arrived in Desaru now. The car's all packed up, loads of stuff in there. We just stopped at the shop to get some ice and some food for the barbecue later on. Get some prawns, get some chicken, get some beef, some fruit. So we've got some stuff for food later on. We're heading down to the beach now. So we've got the necessities done.
Let's do some ice. Thank you. Fucking press play.
I'll keep going then.
Okay.
So we've set up shop at the campsite / where the surf school is, just here. Everyone's setting their tents up. Obviously we've got VIP with our car. I'm guessing it's going to be really hot, but it's really, really nice today. It's like blue skies, the water's flat so we can swim, and I'm just excited to have a few beers and relax for the weekend. So we're setting up the tents. Well, they're setting up the tents like we said before. We've not got a tent, but the weather's been glorious so far, like absolutely amazing. We're right in the middle, like this is all just raw jungle, and really excited. Campsite's ready to go. Apparently they've also put a DJ on tonight. Don't know if it's just for us, they must have just put it on for me. Anyway, we're gonna be having some fun. We're gonna go for a swim. Just enjoy this, literally on the beach.
What was that?
Wait, what was that? I don't know.
Some noise.
Yeah,
the tree.
What?
So the next part of today is trying to put up the hammock.
No one really needs a hammock.
We broke a tree.
You did not. It's not that bad.
Killed a dying tree.
I'm just gonna put it here. Whoever wants to risk their life can sit on this hammock.
Okay.
So this is the camping set for us. Straight at the back into the campsite. And right out the front, we've got the ocean. What a great time to be alive. Woohoo! campervan SUV that I've made. Kind of excited about it. Got the aircon going, make it nice and cool in here. Obviously that's going to be the one issue, it's going to be really hot in here. We'll have to figure out a way of doing that. Very sorry about that, it just ruined the video. Anyway guys, we'll wake up tomorrow morning. The plan is to wake up at 7 AM for the sunrise, which will be coming from right out there. It's dark right now, but hopefully tomorrow morning we'll wake up to a nice sunrise, do a few activities in the morning, and then we'll be heading back home. So just woke up. That was like the hottest night's sleep. So definitely need to find some sort of way of getting electric in here so I can plug a fan in. I'm sure you can definitely do it, but that was very, very hot. I think I've actually drained the car battery because I put the aircon on at some point and I fell asleep and forgot all about it. But we have just woke up and it's sort of like the start of the sunrise. So I want to try and get some nice footage of the sunrise because it's coming up right over there. Oh, my lights are gone off. It's coming right over the horizon, which will be really nice. But what a view to wake up to. Just straight out onto the beach. Gorgeous. Let's go get some sunrise. Bad news is the car won't start, so I'm gonna have to wait for some of the guys to come down to try and help us start it. It's just like not even, the engine's not turning on, so I'm assuming I might have drowned the battery out while I was sleeping, which wouldn't be the best thing because we've still got to drive home. But guys, this is just, what a way to wake up in the morning. Like, legit, what a way to wake up. You just got beach, the sunrise is coming up, the clouds are there. It just looks so nice. Like all the other people camping down here as well. Everyone's up for the sunset. What a lovely, lovely morning. Now, we didn't think it through, but I need to get breakfast as well. I forgot to bring breakfast to make in the morning, but now I've got no car, so I can't go to the shop. So I'm kind of stuck in a situation where I'm going to be hungry. But this is completely worth it. For whatever situation lies ahead, this is worth it. So quick update, looks like it is the battery because everything's just sort of gone now. So I'm just gonna have to wait for someone else to wake up. Because I've got obviously the bed in the back, I can't get under to get the jumps leads and I don't want to have to pull everything out, so I'm just gonna wait for someone else to wake up. There will have jump leads that can come and jump start me, and hopefully that'll be the issue. We can get home safe and sound. If not, then I don't know what's going on. Ready to go though. Doing a nice time lapse though. And Vanessa's been doing some morning yoga by the looks of it. Morning everyone. Got some yogurt. So I've got no car, can't even open the boot.
You got bananas?
Got a hangover as well, which makes things even worse. What happened?
It's like a spider.
Oh, there we go. Go down. Yeah.
Where?
Ants are bringing the spider down.
Fuck. Taking it to its death.
I don't know if you can see, but like a spider's been killed and like there's like 10 million ants are like carrying it. Holy shit. Ugh. It's battle of the spider versus the ants. That looked like a tarantula.
It might be.
Yeah. That's sick. So the guys come to save us. Charging it up and hopefully it'll work. If not, then I don't know what to do. These guys can fix anything. I'm useless. Can't make things, can't do fix cars. Just too tired and too hot and hungover for this, to be honest with you. And we have lift off. It's working. We're going again. We're back on. We can get home today. Right, car's fixed. Stress is done. Time for a little morning swim. I really want to go for a morning swim this morning, but I get really stressed out about stuff, and when things, I like to get things fixed. Like if I need to get something done, I'd rather get that done before I start prattling about. So I'm going for a swim now. Morning swim. Say morning swim is gonna be probably a dip, but the water is looking fresh. It's so warm. On top of that, it's really clear this morning as well. Like, I've never seen this water so clear. This is normally where we surf, but obviously, as you can see, it's the end of monsoon season, which means that the waves have gone now, which means it's now just clear, nice, swimming water. Oh. What a lovely start to the day. Couldn't have asked for a better time. Guys, while we're here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed this one. We're probably gonna get some food soon. But yeah, guys, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. Put a little comment if you enjoyed the video. The whole idea of car camping, I still think we need to work out the key aspects, like trying not to sweat to death. But it was very, very nice. As you can see, the water is crystal clear. So that's it, guys, that's a wrap. We've packing the car up, we're heading back home. Guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, all that stuff like I said earlier on. Do that, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. And I've got to finish it off. I'll see you next time.